Today I'm going to show you how to edit your robots.txt file in Wix. This is an incredibly useful feature if you want to control how search engines crawl and index your website, ensuring better SEO performance, and managing which parts of your site are visible to search bots. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. Let's begin by heading over to the Wix website. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your Wix account using your credentials. After you've successfully logged in, you'll land on your Wix dashboard, which is your central hub for managing everything related to your website. On the left side of your screen, you'll see a navigation menu with various options. Look for the option labeled Site and Mobile App and click on it. This will expand a drop-down selection showing you several related features and settings for managing your site. From the drop-down selection that just appeared, locate and choose SEO and GEO. Clicking this option is important because it takes you directly to your SEO and GEO optimization page, where you can fine-tune how your website interacts with search engines and where it appears geographically. Once you're on this page, you'll need to scroll down through the available options. Keep scrolling until you find the section labeled robots.txt editor. This is the tool that allows you to directly modify the robots.txt file for your website. Go ahead and click on it to open the editor. Now, here's where things get interesting. When you access the robots.txt editor page, you might notice a slightly different interface than what you're used to seeing in Wix. This is because the robots.txt editor is considered a premium function within Wix, so it comes with some advanced features and a more specialized layout. On this page, you'll see a list of your robots.txt files. These files contain instructions for search engine bots, telling them which pages to crawl and which to avoid. From this editor page, you can directly edit your robots.txt file. Simply click on the file you want to modify, make your changes carefully, and ensure you're following the correct syntax, so search engines can read your instructions properly. And there you have it. You've successfully accessed and edited your robots.txt file in Wix, giving you greater control over your site's visibility and SEO strategy. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.